Subscribe for secrets the world tried to erase. Part 3 ended with a warning, but someone ignored it. A new signal appeared where the city once stood. No buildings, no roads, just a pulse, every night at the same time. Satellites picked it up. So did old radios. The frequency matched the city's last known coordinates. When a drone was sent in, its camera froze. The final frame showed stone streets, brand new. Then the signal stopped. The map updated itself on its own. A name returned, written where nothing should exist. One line appeared beneath it. You were not meant to remember. Because the truth wasn't that the city was lost. It was that we left it behind. And now, it's calling us back. Subscribe for Part 5. That subscribe button hasn't been clicked in a while, so smash that subscribe button.